Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your King Eminence, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a pretty cool trick on Facebook. Now I know this is outside of gaming tricks, slips and whatever on gaming shit, but this is pretty cool and I will be showing you guys how to do it at a later video. But for now, if you guys want to know how to do this cool trick, you guys can add me on Facebook, Reef Galloway. Send me the link to your photo that you wish for me to encode, and I shall encode it for you. But anyway, this is what it does. Pretty much all you guys need to do is, once you got the photo, I'll send you a link that looks like this. I'd like to thank Nathan Nieder, which is known as Calc Prodigy, for helping me out with this just by sitting there, doing nothing. But yeah, once you got this, just press enter, and boom, your logo pops up in Facebook chat, and people can see it as that, unless they use a mobile. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and may the gods be with you.